Okay, everyone, we're going to go over present tense stem changing verbs. We're going to review the stem change that we've already gone over and learn a new stem change. So remember, you've already gone over E to IE. In Spanish, there are 4 types of stem changing verbs, okay? And in all of them, the stem changes in all the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. Okay, so 4 types. Today we're going to go over 2. And they do not occur in nosotros and vosotros. 4 types, okay? Woo! Okay, so stem changes that we've already gone over were E to IE. And some of examples of verbs are perder, to lose, E to IE. Repite. Pierdo, pierdes, pierde, perdemos, perdéis, pierden. Okay, so notice that there's no stem change here in perdemos and no stem change in perdéis, and it is an ER verb. So it's an E to IE stem change and an ER verb. You have 2 things to think about. Okay, another example of an E to IE stem changing verb is empezar, querer, preferir, pensar, cerrar, comenzar, entender, and here are their meanings. Okay, you should pause the video now and make sure you have those written down. The new stem changing verb that we're going to go over today are stem changing verbs that go from O to UE. Okay, and an example of that you already use every day is the verb poder when you say puedo ir beber agua por favor or puedo ir al baño por favor. Okay, so here's poder, repite poder, okay, and it means to be able to or can. And when we say puedo ir al baño, it means can I go to the bathroom. Repite puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, podéis, pueden. So just like we've seen before, these follow the boot formation where the stem change occurs here, 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 and here, and not here because this is outside of the magic boot. Okay, I'm going to draw the boot. Okay, so that's the boot. Remember? And all stem changing verbs are going to follow this pattern. Inside the boot, outside the boot. Let's look at some more examples. Okay, you have jugar, which is U to UE, and we're going to see that in a minute. Costar, O to UE. Encontrar, dormir, volver, devolver, almorzar, and here are their meanings. Okay, again, you should pause the video and take time to write down these 7 verbs. Okay, jugar is a stem changing verb that also often gets included with O to UE, except for it's not an O, it's not jugar, it's a U to UE, but it does a similar thing. Jugar becomes juego, juegas, juega. Outside of the boot, jugamos, jugáis. Back in the boot, juegan. Okay? Juego, jugamos. Okay, notice the difference in the sound. Juego, jugamos. So, make sure you have a note that that's a little bit different from O to UE, but similar. Be careful that you do not confuse poder and perder. Okay, I've seen it happen 1,000 times. Poder meaning to be able to, perder meaning to lose. Poder and poner, you cannot confuse those either. Poder, to be able to, and poner, to put, as in poner la mesa. And remember, you do not stem change in nosotros, in vosotros forms. Okay? Alright, let's give this a whirl. You should come with this done tomorrow to class so that we can check it together. You're going to use the verb cerrar, E to IE, and do these stem changes. Cerrar from cerrar la puerta, okay, to close the door. We did this in the kitchen chapter. Dormir, O to UE, to sleep. Okay, you're going to conjugate them for each of these subjects. Oops, I'm missing an accent here. And here. Alright, and please come with that done tomorrow.